Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 33 how to hashtag a photo the correct way on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dot, click on the application called GRIDS, and then make sure we are signed in. Click on the home page. Now we are ready to post a photo, add new post, go to the Instagram tools folder, have a photo ready available, code.gif is the photo that I will be posting. Take this, drag it onto the box or the window, the application itself. We can actually tag other users. That will be in another tutorial after this. Write the caption. Open up the tags document. Make sure you have a collection of hashtags ready for use. Copy all these hashtags. Command C, Control C, right click, copy. Go to the caption. Command V, paste all the hashtags in. I may take some out. Only leave the ones that are in line with the photo itself. So I will say computer science videos. Coding 2019, computer science videos, how-to videos can go. We are now ready to post the photo to Instagram after the optimization of these meta tags or hashtags on screen. Post. Go to the home page, refresh, and maybe after 5-10 minutes, the notifications should all be rolling in. You should see who liked the photo, who made a comment. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.